Okay, how did you do? Here are the durations that we came up with. 1. Select self-help questions, 1 day. 2. Plan answers to each question, 3 days. Now we're giving a few days here, so whoever is performing this task will have time to walk through each question, find the answer, and capture an outline for each article. 3. Take screenshots, 2 days. 4. Draft articles, 5 days. 5. Edit articles, 5 days. 6. Review and improve the articles, 2 days. 7. Make final revisions, 2 days. And 8. Publish the articles, 1 day. Now that we've estimated how long each task will take, we need to figure out the order of the tasks. So for example, before you can plan answers to the questions in your self-help articles, you need to figure out what the self-help questions are. So task 2 has to come after task 1. In project management language, we say that task 2 is dependent on task 1. We also say that task 2 is a successor to task 1, or that task 1 is a predecessor to task 2. So let's put the tasks in order. Task 1 comes before task 2 before task 3, and so on. Let's go ahead and put the relationships between the tasks in this simple order. Now, we need to make several assumptions here in this schedule. Let's assume that each day is an 8-hour day. So basically, any one of these 1-day tasks could also be an 8-hour task. But in addition to making assumptions about the length of each working day, we also need to assume what our non-working time is. Non-working time usually means weekends and holidays. So let's assume that this project starts on the 1st of July. And let's also assume that in the year we're planning this project, July 1st falls on a Monday. Let's make sure that we are not scheduling tasks for anyone on a weekend. So we'll put in the weekends. Also, in the United States, July 4th is a national holiday. So we're going to mark July 4th as a non-working day. Great! So now we have a series of tasks that start on Monday, July 1st, and run through July 30th. Now here's the kicker. You take this schedule to your boss or your customer or whomever's in charge, and what happens? They say, "This is too long. Can you go faster?" Or, "This needs to be done by July 20th. What will that take?" Now before we answer that question, we're going to take a break from schedule and jump into resources. So be sure to rate this lesson and send at least one follow-up question about something that wasn't clear or something that you'd like to explore further. Then move on to learning about project resources.